Introducing your most creative traffic method making, Tumblr. Tumblr acclaimed itself to be one of the world's most creative websites, creating a community where free speeches reign supreme. Ever since it existed, Tumblr is committed to celebrating the creativity of its users. This is the place where users connect with others who share their interests. Their mobile application itself has been downloaded over 50 million users worldwide in 2017. Following this reception, Tumblr has been dubbed as one of the highest traffic-generating methods apart from Facebook. This is thanks to its unique crowd and the opportunity given to the crowd to reflect who they are, what they love, think, and believe. According to Tumblr, their community creates at least 90 million posts each day. What makes it different from Facebook? It sounds like another social network platform to you, doesn't it? Well, remember Friendster and MySpace? Studies showed that users of these social network giants even labeled Tumblr as an upgraded version of both. And that's not all. Did you know the trending word GIF was made official thanks to the community of Tumblr? That's right, Tumblr created a trend that made it impossible for the online community to ignore. There's also an occurrence where a 30-second-long Japanese commercial went viral amongst fans worldwide, especially the Tumblr community. Despite it only being a commercial, it spread like wildfire on Tumblr, generating traffic across multiple hubs. Fans worldwide expressed their interest in the commercial by creating a blog post on Tumblr, fan fictions, and even online petitions calling on the studio to finally make it into a full animation series. That animation is titled Free. These are proof on how powerful the Tumblr community is. Famous brands have recognized its potential and have decided to register themselves to Tumblr. The list includes Calvin Klein, Disney, Adidas, Coca-Cola, and Sesame Street, to name a few.